We're at Costco here. How about you go get the food while I just sit here and watch the game?
Right, okay.
I'll just hang out here with TVs while you go
right.
get the food.
See you in an hour.
Alright, later.
Bye.
All decarbs. All decarbs. No, 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 no. Yes. Brown bison. You're coming with me. This is what we use for a slow cooker.
How about that one?
Seasoned tri-tip. That's a big one.
I know, that's why it'll last for days.
The bigger the better. That's what she said. Organic chicken. We get the stuff frozen though. Organic turkey ground. Yes, please. Boo.
What?
Why are you being such a bad influence?
I'm hungry.
I see her sitting over here.
You're supposed to never come to the grocery store hungry. I'm so hungry.
We got the gains in the cart. Into the fresh produce section we go.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Click the link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode. Who goes for the grapes? I'm gonna get some bell peppers. Let's go red. Some broccoli.
Hey, remember Tony the Tiger? What's the plates are?
Grapes. Oh, I need portobellos. Check. Now for greens.
I like these.
Are we going kale?
Actually, yeah.
Power greens?
No, I like the kale better than the...
Alright.
I get the kale.
Kale.
Yeah.
Spinach. Costco's always so smart. They put dairy and the eggs way back here and all the other food on the other side. Get you going. This is the organic chicken that we get. Right here. Organic. Free range. It's frozen. Alright, let's go. Chicken. Eggs. Let's go. Life of Costco shopping.
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon.
My favorite nuts.
That's what she said.
I lost Jessica. Jessica! Jessica! I'm scared.
I'm done. Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here. Look at that food though.
Do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous.
Now that we got the groceries, now the fun part is carrying it all in. And you know I'm not going for multiple trips. This is the ego. Let's lift this up. I gotta set you down though, camera.
Nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through.
Sorry, I almost forgot you.
Deep and I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages.